This is the 2026 GMC Yukon. This also applies to the 2025 models. If you cannot get your power tailgate to open, no matter what you do, you notice that you've got the beeping right there and then the tailgate opens. You can also use the button on the tailgate itself right there. You can use the remote. There's a button there. There's also a button on the interior, and this is the button on the remote I was telling you about. But what do you do if it doesn't open no matter what you do? Now, you can always open it manually no matter what the situation is. But if you're having trouble with the power function, here's what you need to look at. The first thing you need to do is come right here to this control, and you'll notice that it can be set to off, 3/4, or max. It's set to off right now, so we want to set that to max or to 3/4 so that it works properly. And then the other thing we can do is come right here to settings, and we're going to go to vehicle, and then we will go right down here to comfort and convenience, and you will find hands-free exterior storage access. Make sure that is set to open only, and then you'll be good to go. I hope that helps you out. If you have a tutorial you want to see me make, please let me know down in the comment section, and I'll make that happen for you. Thanks for taking the time to watch. I'll see you next time.